I think anyone who stayed in Bukit Panjang, Bukit Timah, Ulu Pandan, Ghim Moh, if I ask you, in the last 24 years, has it been transformed? Absolutely. Second thing I wanted to say, actually, is a big thank you to all of you who've stayed here, because if you look at what we have done over the past 24 years, a lot of it has been because of ideas that you have shared with us. And then that we've had a very good town council who's been able to translate those ideas and make things happen. So a big thank you to all of you for all your ideas and all the energy.
We also wanted to make sure that this would be the best possible place for us to bring up our families, for us to pursue our careers, and for us to also age in place. So that's why we have arrived at the formulation in this particular review, that we are aiming not only to be the greenest, but also being inspired by the concept of a blue zone, and hence the theme Wellness in the Heartlands. And as I explained earlier, we define wellness in terms of health, in terms of social connections, and in terms of sustainability. So that's the common thread which runs through all the projects that have been executed. For this term itself, we have, I think we've completed more than 150 projects across. People want places for the extended families to live close by. And over the years to come, I think we'll be able to fulfill that and maintain that 3-generation extended family feel of this place. But wellness is more than hardware. In fact, I asked you all to come here because where we are standing now, in the next couple of months, is going to be converted into another active aging center run by NTUC, because there is a need for this as our population ages. But similarly, back on health, it's also about making sure that home nursing, home care, daycare is available.
This hawker center has been something quite remarkable. I know we used to have, we stopped building hawker center for like 20 over years, and then about 10 years ago, Minister Vivian has reversed the policy, and therefore we built a hawker center here, which actually now turned out to be a very vibrant place. It's a very important community node now. People come, they eat, they have their breakfast here, they meet, they chit-chat, they have kopi. And then we want to enhance this. We want this to be a hub where people really come and interact, and part of the wellness agenda that we have. So here we have been trying to experiment many things in this level too. Somehow it didn't quite get the traction. So we work with NTUC Health, and they have, I think that an active aging center here will make sense to co-locate this with the hawker centers. So we are very thankful MOH has approved this in quite quick time, and now we are in the midst of getting all this up, and then the NTUC Health AAC will start to get running, and then we'll be able to engage residents here.